Hello student, how are you? Fine, okay. Students, today we will learn chapter number 8, Kakasya Chaturyam. Kakasya Chaturyam, it means the crow's cleverness. Kakasya, it means crow. This is a story about a crow. Chaturyam, it means cleverness. Among birds, the crow is not liked by people, but the crow is also a unique bird. When in trouble, instead of being scared and accepting defeat, one should use one's presence of mind and find a solution to the problem. It is necessary that you have to understand this. For this reason, a lesson which showcases the cleverness of the crow has been presented. Okay, we will show the cleverness of crows in this chapter. Now look at in your book. एकस्मिन् वने एकः वटवृक्षः अस्ति. तत्र काकः वसति. काकस्य पत्नी शावकै सह तत्रैव वसति. तस्य वृक्षस्य अधः कोटरे एकः सर्पः वसति. एकस्मिन् it means one. In one jungle or in the forest. Ekah, it means one. Vatavrukshaha, it means a banyan tree. Asti, it means there. There is a banyan tree in a forest. Ekasmina vane ekaha vatavrukshaha asti, it means there is a banyan tree in a forest. Tatra kakah vasati. Tatra kakah vasati. Tatra means there or at that place. Kakah, it means a crow. And vasati means lives. A crow lives there. A crow lives there. Tatra kakah vasati. It means a crow lives there. Kakasya patni shavakai saha tatreva vasati. Kakasya patni shavakai saha tatreva vasati. Kakasya patni means the crow's wife, female crow, also lived there. Shavake saha tatrev vasati. Lived there herself with the young ones. The crow's wife also lived there herself with the young ones. तस्य वृक्षस्य अधः कोटरे एकः सर्पः वसति. तस्य वृक्षस्य अधः कोटरे, it means under the tree एकः सर्पः वसति. A snake lives in a hollow under the tree. A snake lives in a hollow. Hollow means snake's house. And adha kotare, it means under the tree. Vrukshasya adha kotare, it means under the tree. So I repeat the translation of this paragraph. There is a banyan tree in a forest. A crow lives there. The cow's wife also lives there herself with the young ones. A snake lives in a hollow under the tree. Got it? Okay, now next lines. Ekada kakah भार्यया सह आहार्थं गच्छति. तदा सर्पः एकं शावकं खादति. Ekada, it means once or one day. Kakaha means crow. Bharyaya saha, with his wife. Saha, it means with. Bharyaya, it means her wife, his wife. Ahartham, it means ahar, it means food. Ahartham, it means for food. Gachati means goes. One day the crow goes with his wife for food. They want to eat food, so they find some foods for themselves and their young ones. One day the crow goes with his wife for food. Tada sarpaha ekam shavakam khadati. Tada sarpaha. At that time. Tada means at that time. Sarpaha, it means the snack. Khadati, it means eats. Shavakam. Ekam shavakam, it means one young one. Crow's young one. Ekam shavakam, it means one young one. At that time, the snack eats a young one. When the crows are not at their home, the snack eats their one young one. Ekada kakaha bharyaya saha ahartham gacchati tada sarpaha ekam shavakam khadati. It means once the crow goes with his wife for food, at that time the snack eats a young one. Okay. यदा काकः आगच्छति पश्यति च एकः शावकः नीडे नास्ति. वृक्षस्य अधः सर्पं दृष्ट्वा काकः वदति, अहो एषः दुष्टसर्पः शावकं खादति, कञ्चित् उपायं करोमि. इति विचिन्त्य काकः नन्दी प्रति गच्छति. यदा काकः आगच्छति पश्यति च, it means आगच्छति, it means comes. They come back. When they came back, it means comes. Pashyati cha, and sees. Pashyati means sees. When they came back and sees. Pashyati cha, it means and see. Comes and sees. एकः शावकः नीडे नास्ति. नीडे नास्ति. एकः शावकः, it means one young one. Nide means in nest. In the nest. Nasti. Nasti means is not there. Ekah shavaka nide nasti. Nasti means is not there. One young one is not there in the nest. Nide means nest. Vrukshasya adha sarpam. Vrukshasya adha sarpam. Under the tree. Vrukshasya adha. It means under the tree. Sarpam. To the snake. Crow said to the snake. Drashtava kakaha vadati. Drashtava matlab means seeing. When crow seeing a snake under the tree, kakaha vadati means crow said. Aho eshaha dushta sarpam shavakam khadati. This eshaha, it means this. Dushta sarpaha, it means wicked or cruel. Cruel snake. Shavakam means the young one. Khadati. Khadati, it means eats. This cruel snake eats the young ones. Kanchita upayam karomi. Kanchita. Kanchita, it means some. Upayam, it means solution or get some idea. Karomi. Karomi, it means do. Do something. अहो एषः दुष्टसर्पः शावकं खादति. That means this cruel snake eats the young one. Do something. We have to find some idea or we have to do something for it. Iti vichintya kakah nadim prati gacchati. Iti, it means like that. Vinchitya, thinking, it means thinking. Nandi prati, it means toward the river. Crow goes toward the river. Translation of it. The crow comes and sees that one young one is not in the nest. Seeing the snake under the tree, the crow says, "Oh, this cruel snake eats the young one. Do something." Crow, thinking thus, the crow goes towards the river. Crow, thinking thus, the crow goes towards the river. Crow thinks that he has to do something. So he thinking and goes towards the river. Tatra Rajkumari snanam karoti. Tatra Rajkumari snanam karoti. Tasyah suvarnaharah naditire asti. Tasyah suvarnaharah naditire asti. Chaturah kakah suvarnaharam aparahati. Chaturah kakah suvarnaharam aparti. Tatra means there. Rajkumari means princess. Snanam karoti, it means take a bath. Where? At the river. Crow goes to river, towards the river. There is a princess, take a bath. Tasyaha, it means her. Her means that princess. Suvarna haraha, it means gold necklace. Suvarna haraha, it means gold necklace. Nadi tire asti. Means nadi tire means on the river bank. Her gold necklace on the river bank. Chaturah kakah, it means the clever crow. Suvarna haram apaharti, it means the clever crow that gold necklace pickups or robs. Apaharti, it means robs or pickup. Suvarna haram, it means that gold necklace. Okay. Tatra Rajkumari snanam karoti. Tasya suvarnaharah nadi tire asti. Chaturah kakah suvarnaharam apaharti. It means there a princess is taking a bath. Her gold necklace is on the river bank. The clever crow picks up and robs the gold necklace. Right? The princess taking a bath. Her gold necklace is on the river bank. Nadi tire, it means river bank. The clever crows picks up. Apaharti, it means picks up or robs the gold necklace. Right? The crow picks up that gold necklace in his beak and flew away. Now on the second page. Kakah suvarnaharam kotarasya. Kakah suvarnaharam kotarasya antah kshipati. Suvarnaharam, it means gold necklace. Kotasya antah, inside the hollow. inside the hollow. Hollow means snake's house. Kshipati. Kshipati, it means throws or drops. The crow drops or throws that gold necklace inside the hollow. सैनिकः काकस्य पृष्ठे आगच्छति. सैनिकः काकस्य पृष्ठे आगच्छति. सैनिकः, it means the police. काकस्य पृष्ठे, it means behind the crow. आगच्छति, it means comes. कोटरे सुवर्णहारं सर्पं च पश्यति. कोटरे सुवर्णहारं सर्पं च पश्यति. It means that gold necklace and the snake sees under the tree. Saha chintayati. Saha chintayati, it means he thinks first. अहो प्रथम सर्पं मारयामि अनन्तरं हारं नयामि. First of all, kill the snake and then afterwards take the necklace. It means the काकः स्वर्णं हारं कोटरस्य अन्तः क्षिपति. सैनिकः काकस्य पृष्ठे आगच्छति. कोटरे सुवर्णहारं सर्पं च पश्यति. सः चिन्तयति, अहो प्रथमं सर्पं मारयामि अनन्तरं हारं नयामि. It means the crow drops the gold necklace inside the hollow. The soldier goes behind the crow. He sees the gold necklace and the snake inside the hollow. He thinks, oh, I will kill the snake first and then take the necklace. I will kill the snake first and then take the necklace. सैनिकः सर्पं मारयति हारं नयति. काकः वदति, अहो सर्पः मृतः अधुना सुखेन वसामि. सैनिकः सर्पं मारयति. That police सर्पं मारयति, it means kills the snake. हारं नयति, and he went with her, that gold necklace. काकः वदति, crow says, अहो सर्पः मृतः. Now the snake is dead. अधुना सुखेन वसामि. Now I live happily. सैनिकः सर्पं मारयति हारं नयति. It means the soldier kills the snake and takes the necklace. The crow says, wow, the snake is dead. Now I will live happily. Right? Aho sarpah mrutah aduna sukhen vasami. It means now the snake is dead. I will live happily. Okay? This is the solution of his problem. Okay students, now we will see the exercise part. First of all, we will learn about glossary. Glossary, it means meanings. Adaha means below. Kotare, it means in the hollow. Ekasmin, it means anyone. Shavake, it means young one. Saha, it means with. Tatra, it means there only. Ahartham, it means for food. Prushte, it means behind. Anantaram, it means later on. Nayami, it means am taking. I am taking. Like this. Aduna, it means now. Nide, it means in a nest. Kanchita, it means any. Vichintya. Vichintya it means after thinking. Apharati. Apharati it means is taking away. Okay. Now the exercise part. First one is pronounce the following words clearly. Pronounce the following words clearly. Shavake, Drushta Sarpaha, Vichintya Suvarnaharam, Chintayati. Now the second exercise is complete the following sentences. Follow the illustration. Right? First sentence, there are given one example. Sarpaha dash vasati, and there is a word given into bracket kotaram. For example, Sarpaha kotare vasati. There are given word kotaram and it will be kotare. Sarpaha kotare vasati. Means we have to write here kotare. Okay. Now first sentence. Sihaha dash vasati, and there is a word given bracket is vanam. So vanam, sihaha vane vasati. Vanam vane, sihaha vane vasati. We have to write vane over here. Right? Manushyaha dash vasati, and there is a word into bracket nagaram. Nagaram, it means Manushyaha nagare vasati. Right? Third one, Khagaha dash vasati into bracket nidaha. Nidaha. So Khagaha nide vasati. Okay. You also write with me. Vanaraha dash vasati, and there is a given word vrukshaha. Vrukshaha. So we have to change vrukshaha into vrukshe. Vanaraha vrukshe vasati. Matsyaha dash vasati, and there are given a word into bracket is jalam. So Matsyaha jale vasati. Okay. Now the third exercise is complete the following sentences, follow the illustration. Example, Kakaha nadim prati gacchati. Kakaha nadim prati gacchati, it means towards the river. Cross goes towards the river. The first sentence is Chhatraha dash prati gacchati. Chhatraha dash prati gacchati, and there are also a word into bracket. There are given a word shala. Shala. So we have to change shala into shalam. Okay. Shalam prati gacchati. Chhatraha shalam prati gacchati. The second sentence is, second blank is Krushikaha dash prati gacchati. Krushikaha dash prati gacchati. And which word is this? Kshetra. So we have to change kshetra into kshetram. Right here kshetram. Vyadraha dash prati gacchati. Vyadraha dash prati gacchati, and there is a word is vanam. One, and we have to change one into vanam. Hansaha dash prati gacchati, and word is sarovar. So Hansaha सरोवरं प्रति गच्छति. Okay. Now the fourth question is, write the following sentences in legible handwritings. Write the following sentences in legible handwritings. It means in neat or legible handwritings. So you have to repeat this sentence again here with neat handwriting. एकस्मिन् वने एकः वटवृक्षः अस्ति. एकः दुष्टः सर्पः शावकं खादति. तस्य सुवर्णहारः नदीतीरे अस्ति. सैनिकः काकस्य पृष्ठे आगच्छति. सैनिकः सर्पं मारयति. Okay. So students, this was our explanation part of chapter number 8, Kakasya Chaturyam, and exercise. We will see other exercise in our next lecture. Till then, take care. Thank you.